everyone, welcome back to a new video. In today's video I have got some nail mail to show you. This first box is from Chromaink nails. These are, there was a little card in there saying thank you, and they give you a well, they did me, I'm assuming it's just the normal thing, a 15% off thank you card. So on your next order you'll get 15% off. I was trying not to rip the bubble, not the bubble wrap, the tissue paper, because I wanted to leave it quite nice but I couldn't get into it because of the sticker. Right, in here there are, but I have seen on Instagram, I keep seeing Sam Biddle's post playing with these inks, and the designs she comes up with are absolutely beautiful, and I thought, do you know what, I'm going to treat myself. I think they had, no, I found a discount code for, yes, I found a discount code for these, so I didn't pay full price. I got, they do, I think it was one of the ambassadors had a discount code, which I decided to use to get a little bit of money off, and I ended up buying the full collection. I do have lots of inks already, but that was Jeremy, my back scratcher. I don't know why I call a purple back scratcher Jeremy, I just do. So yeah, look, here you go. On the front they've got Chromaink, and they are watercolor inks, but they're, oh, I got a blister mowing my mum's lawn the other day. It hurts. I got a poorly thumb. So yeah, so these are the inks. The thing that I did notice about these is they don't have, because some of the inks I've had in the past have little balls in that you have to shake to get the pigment moving around. There was balls in a couple of them. I think there was like 2 of them, but you'll see, I'll show you this. Nope, there's another one that I've got. There's so many different colors. You get 17 inks in a full kit, in a full set. One of them is a clear one. I like to use acetone. Look, can you see how, isn't that gorgeous? This was the gold one, I think. Was this the gold one? I think it was, but you'll see a silver one in a minute, and you'll see why you need that ball in there to look purple. Oh, I love purple. You'll see why you need the ball in there to, I was trying to show you. This one had like, I don't know, it looked really nice. Not this one. I was shaking them to see if they had balls in. Look at this one. This is the silver one. But can you see? Look at the colour of that. This one had a ball in. But look at that. It looks like, oh, it looks so nice just to look at it in the bottle. But the silver and the gold are really, really nice. This one, I can't remember the number of it, but it did have a number on the top, but I think it'd come off. This was the white. They do a white as well. It's nice to have a white ink, I think. Not many people do white inks. I think they do, more people do them now than what they used to, unless I'm just not with it. I don't know. Probably the latter. This was a nice blue. I'm not actually going to do a design with these today. I literally just wanted to show you these because I've just been really excited. I have already done one nail playing with them. I've swatched them all, which I'm going to show you. That was, I don't know what colour that is, but I've put them all in order and I'll show you them swatched. All I've done is just marbles with them for the swatching. So this is all of them. I haven't put all of the bottles out, but this is all the colours that you get in this set of 17. Look, that maroon colour on the end, that burgundy colour just looks amazing. So this is all of them. I will leave the link to Chroma. I'll leave the Instagram. I'm sure it's Chromaink nails on Instagram, but I'll leave it in the description box below so you can go and find them. This next parcel, I've taken all the wrapping off because it had my address all over it. This has been, literally, it's been around the world. So this is, oh, I've been waiting for this for so long. It feels like it's been so long, but it hasn't actually. It arrived really quickly. I think it arrived in about a week. There was a little bit of, it did get stuck in customs for like a day, I think. But I'm pretty sure this was with me in a week. and it came from Portugal. I think it's Portugal they're from, but this is an Aleana hand. So the company is called Aleana hand. They're now a copyright company. The hand is a copyright. Trademarked. Sorry, trademarked. This is how incredibly I like. Honestly, when I got it out, I just didn't want to stop touching it. It's so realistic down to the veins and freckles and whatever. They just put whatever. Honestly, I was like, this is not a fake hand. This is someone's hand. They've just pulled the nails out. I just, honestly, I was just, look, it looks better than my hand. My hand's getting old now. I'm starting to get old hands. It's sad. This is the Anais hand. I'm sure it's Anais. Some people don't know how to say it, but there was a girl I went to school with, and her name was spelt like the one that I bought, and her name was pronounced Anais. And I got the shade Autumn. They do a pale skin, they do a darker skin, and then they do the autumn one, which is the one that I've got. I wanted like an in-between one. This is the hand. You can get just a normal hand, or you can get a hand with a magnet embedded in the back. This is what the stand is for. The stand is magnetic. It's really, really easy to get the stand on and off. So the stand is easy to set up. You just twist that off, pop that in, push this part's got the magnet in, just push that on, and then twist it back up. So from what I understand, this company deals in prosthetics as well, which is why they managed to get the hands looking like so realistic. So yeah, you can move the stand up and down as wherever you want it. And then it's only a small magnet, but my God, I tell you what, it's really strong. I mean, you put that on, that hand isn't going to go anywhere. And what I really like about this is because it's magnetic, it's so easy to pop on and off and just get in the lamp. So you'll see in a minute, I was just faffing around a little bit here. I was trying to do it up, and I was doing it up the wrong way. The nut bit actually comes off the other side, I think. Look, it came off because I was trying to wind it up the wrong way. You wally gnats. There we go. Try again. But you can obviously adjust the height, because you can pull the stand does extend as well, which is quite handy. When you peel this off, it's really sticky. It's not, I don't know that it's really, or is it might be a suction, I don't know, but it's sticky. So I stuck it on my desk to start with, and then I was like, no, that's not going to be a good place to stick it. So I've pulled it off, and I've got this little this coaster. Look, it's like a mirrored gold coaster. I thought what I'd do is, it's quite hard to get off because it was super sticky. I'm going to stick it on the coaster. Now the coaster isn't particularly heavy, but instead of using like a heavy tile or something, what I've done is I've left it on the coaster, and I've stuck some blue tack under the coaster, and then I can stick it to wherever I want it, and it doesn't fall down, it doesn't fall over. I've done a set of gel polish nails on these that I'll show you at the end, because I wanted to play around with it before I done this video, because I wanted to feel what it was like to actually see. That was me trying to take it off and put it in the lamp. There we go. I mean, it's amazing. I can't tell you how impressed I am with this. If you want a realistic practice hand, I don't think you're going to get much more realistic than this. And that's my absolute God's honest truth. I'm so in love with this that I want the other hand. This is the left hand. You can choose as well between a left and a right hand. Also, when you're sticking these nails in, I just grabbed some I wanted to do an extreme length set. So I grabbed my super duper long stiletto tips. These tips are just cheap tips from, I think they're from eBay or AliExpress. People ask me all the time where I get my tips from. My stiletto tips, I will just go onto eBay or AliExpress or Amazon, and I will search long stiletto tips. and then I'll just sift through and I'll find like a pack of 500, and you get like 50 tips of each size. These ones are extra long stiletto tips, so just search extra long nail tips or extreme length tips, and you'll just have to just sort of have a look through and see which ones you want. I like to get stiletto ones because I can just snip. Oh yeah, like when I was putting these in, it doesn't like deform the cuticle area as well, because sometimes on some hands you can pop the nail tips in and it looks weird around the cuticle, around that skin part. Do you know what I mean? But these just looked, honestly, I have no negatives about this hand, just positives. So I've got my tips in, and I'll tell you what I do have as well. I have a referral code. It's not like an affiliate code or anything. It's a referral code. I will pop it in the description box. If you want to purchase one of these, if you click on that referral link, it will take you to a link where you put your email address in, and they will send you I think it's a $5 off voucher if you want to purchase one. So yeah, so that, I mean, it's not masses of money, but every little helps. I want to get the right hand. I'm desperate. I don't even know why, because I'll only ever use one at a time. But yeah, so this is what I'll do with my stiletto tips. I will just snip the end off, and now I've literally got a ballerina nail, or coffin, whatever you want to call it. I like to call it ballerina. So after I've done this, I then go ahead. I didn't film it because I thought it would just end up, the video would just be ridiculously long. But I ended up doing a quick gel polish set. I'd seen I hope I'm saying her name right, Tao Nguyen, do this from Not Polish. This is inspired by her. It's not exactly the same, but it's inspired by her. She done this bee set and I thought it was really cute. So I thought, yeah, I'll do that. So it was really nice to use. The hands, the fingers are flexible. They're not posable, but they're flexible. So yeah, I love it. Can't recommend it enough. I will see you beautiful lot tomorrow with a new video. Love you all. Bye.